Last year we came out with the Jase Robertson Pro Series, and we had an acrylic. And based on your feedback to us, we now have 3 different styles in acrylic. One of them has a ring with the Realtree Max5, which is really cool. And then we have the wooden version. We have a maple, a blackwood, and a tiger wood. The difference in the wood and the acrylic is pretty much common knowledge, but I'll demonstrate it for you. The wooden call is going to be a little softer. And a little smoother. And your acrylics, they're going to have a little more, and they're going to be a little more scratchy. So you got one to get their attention, and as they grow closer, you milk it down with the wooden version of that.